Box cover, this is Dirty Bear and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Let's check it. Number 10, Spicy BET. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So recently there was a Caribbean invasion, a takeover at BET Networks. Shenseea performed. Conscience did his thing. Amara La Negra, she did fair thing as well, representing Dominica. And Safari, he was repping Jamaica.
Broke up.
The what? Oh, yeah, yeah.
So all that kind of nice and well enough, but we want to get down into the meat of the matter. And the meat of the matter is that Spice, she made her red carpet entrance at the BET 2018 Awards. Yes, check out her outfit. And let me know what you think about it. Lady like the look, me kind of think so she went there dripping gum.
Gum de gum de gum. Gum de gum de gum.
But NTU, as many of you might know, Spice is a big Nicki Minaj cheerleader. From Nicki Minaj, Night Spice is going to be there at the sidelines and say, hip hip hooray! That is how Spice just do for her thing. So it was no surprise that when Nicki Minaj was performing on stage at the BET Awards, Spice today in the audience wrote for her.
Yes! Evidence. But being gang at the red. Like I forgot.
But it is not the routine that was the focal point of this video. It was the fact that Nicki Minaj's nemesis, Nicki Minaj's enemy, Remy Ma, was in the audience in wavelength of Spice. Jesus, please, Spice. Suppose Remy give you a box. Suppose Remy the ex-convict the old and just draw out your ear. Jesus and people, can you imagine a fight there? Who you think would have win? You think so Spice would have beat Remy or Remy would have beat Spice? More here, comment below. But boy, Spice, you see them little levels of pettiness and savagery here? Me don't know how to work out with you and your Woman's Empowerment Foundation, you know, because the two of them, something after cancel, something after resign. It's like so when Spice there to show somebody, tell her, say,
Slim girl, better you can do this. Let me rappers like me.
But anyway, burritos, I would just personally love to see this Nicki Minaj and Spice collab.
Oh, you got my heart beating running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that?
Boom. Have me body does a jump and a
Because me feel like deep down this is what all of this is in efforts for. Spice wants that Nicki collab, and Nicki, you better her give her it. She deserves it. She's been rooting for you more than how Tara they root for that girl Pan America's Next Top Model.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
So let me know, burritos, what do you think about Spice, you know, kind of throwing shade at Remy Ma at the BET Awards? Comment below. Number 9, Amari at it. Box cover. So I do not know why Gully Bop ex-girlfriend keep on pursue this music career. I do not think she have a hit song in her, but we don't know. I'm not going to be a hater. I'm going to support her and all our musical, you know, efforts. Free her latest accomplishment.
Start the ras man. When me land, me slap you with a pad. You must be rap mad. Me say feel low the blood man. Top lie but you wear wedding band.
Oh no. Me can't support that one yet. Jesus Beam. Which producer really I give her studio time and I enjoy. Me no, jeez, you hear much time left to believe about the song? But as in usual style, you know that you have several social media personalities who decided to spoof the whole situation. So check out one of the videos with Jeffrey.
Amari, today I just freestyle. ZM trying to show you somewhere and just freestyle. Ready?
When me land, me slap you with a pad.
But let me know, burritos, are you here for an Amari single? Comment below. And now check out the random video of the week.
Say whoa,
Whoa!
whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. Now you do it by yourself.
Whoa!
Number 8, Cure again. Mito O'Neil. As you know, reggae singer Jack Cure has been in a lot of controversy lately. First up is when he was dissing the selectors them for not really stepping up their money game when they are wanting to get jingles from him Pre.
Sound man, producers, promoters, be careful when you call my phone and email me. I'm not the brokest artist in the business. So make sure when you're emailing me or texting my phone about dub plate, 45, stage shows, or etc., make sure your money good. When you see how riches me live.
I'm so fancy. You already know.
So now make sure when you maintain that standard. All sound boys suck on the
And then the singer, Mr. Jackie, decided to go and put this video on social media with himself in some Pamela and this slow motion Baywatch type of gimmicks while he was pouring coconut onto his body.
Yo, funny you. Chris! Blessings to Jaja. Whoa! Come on! I got.
No man, Jackie, you can't so strong when you cuss off the selector them and you gone to this slow motion herbal essence commercial.
She ran the rebel in the shower. For another half an hour. She's got me.
Jesus, Jackie, what is going on, Jackie? Are you having a Kanye West moment? What is happening, Jackie? Talk. Number 7, savage tweet. Me set the table. So as you know, World Cup I won, World Cup 2018 I won. If you don't know, World Cup won every 4 years. So that's a little information if you do not know. But anyhow, so a lot of the big sides them have been, like not really been performing well. And especially Argentina and the Jamaicans them who supported Argentina never take them losing so easily. One brother here look like him just started made and reconsider all him life on earth. So in the middle of this whole thunderstorm as it relates to football, this brother called Bootleg Rockstar decided to put up one of the most savage tweets of 2018 and the year don't even hard done yet. And the tweet reads, World Cup have a lot of y'all straight niggas crying. I'm glad you know how it feels to be finally disappointed by men. Oh Jesus, comment below, the comment. Number 6, taxi race. Me ultrasound. So as you know, recently I've been putting up a lot of local Olympics because clearly Jamaicans feel like them just want to be doing 100 meter, 200 meter really and all kind of things into them individual communities. And so the trend is continuing in this week's social media countdown. So you have them taxi man here, I guess them now have nothing to do on this day, I guess the customer them never out, so them decide say yo, we're going to just enjoy ourselves and them decide them going to just keep one little 100 meter challenge. So them designate one guy as the Asafa Powell and the other guy as the Usain Bolt. One youth in a blue and the other one in a white, and this is what occurred.
Taxi man race. So how next man up the side video? Taxi man race. And your mark, see that people. And your mark. See there, Usain Bolt and Asafa. Rematch. All Bolt and Asafa. Yes. See that.
Go!
Sit there, hold on, sit there now. Sit there.
Scooby! Away!
I do not know why, but just love to see people drop there. It's just something magical when somebody just bought them to a drop, reach a ground like 1 minute, them the way you call this, vertical, then them reach horizontal. It's just amusing to me, but, boy. We can't see it again.
Sit there.
Number 5, World Cup Mania. Me antenna. So, World Cup 2018 is in full swing and Jamaican people, I do not know what is it about Jamaicans and the Brazilian team is just like, we just egg up like this. It boy. We and Brazil just come from far. I believe that about 85% of Jamaicans are Brazil fans and half of we never even go there. We don't even know their national dish. We don't even know one big tune we are going over there but to just rep Brazil. So it was as no surprise when, after Argentina lose and people say, yo, Brazil are going to go next. When Brazil win for the match, this is what had community of, wait name, somebody tell me say a Rema. This is what happened.
You're Ted fine. Man, them are being nice and weird,
Celebrations galore, of course, celebrations must go on, yes. You might see some nice festivities and some nice enjoyment. What I see? Scores of unemployment. I'm government, do something, man. Do something. Why everybody just have free time? So Jesus, people, hopefully they are entrepreneurs. But government, come on, man. Do something, man. And then this is how some people in flankers decided to celebrate the Brazil win. And once again, you might see excitement, you might see festivities and enjoyment, but you know what I see? I see this. Nobody come fight me. And now check out the second random video of the week. Number 4, Mama Story. Me gongo peas. So this, old lady had a very, tragic incident that happened to her some time ago. And this is how she dealt with it. I'm not even going to tell you anything.
The boy said to me, two boys said to me, cash your gold, mother. I said, I'm going to cook it, I'm look with your boy. I mean, I pass man and grab my hand. Grass. And me and him, me hold on under the finger, so me and him, and I try to dig out the ring them out from my finger. And he can't get them out.
Really? And how much that time?
86.
Yeah. 86?
Yes. And in the pin pocket. And take up a nice carving knife to cut off my finger.
What?
Grass wood. And me grab, me draw that. Say, mother again, I say, I grass, and I tell someone I'm hungry. And you know, go here, if you get any picnic yet? He said, no, mother. I say, well, you're not going to get none again, And you're going to yam on that table, you balance, you'll die. And me
What do you think about Mama's story? She's the real sugar mama. Comment below. Number 3, rising vocals. So every season for Rising Stars, them have that one standout. I don't even want to call them a contestant, but somebody who audition that for them vocals just not normal. Like them, when you think said nobody tell them so them can't sing, them just want some TV time, and of course TVJ going to give them it because them get the likes, comments, and shares. So and this season was this brother who decided to go and sing one. It's a Michael Jackson song, but boy, just listen.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things what they said beyond the stars? What about dance to the field? Was said before. Ever started notice? Why will you be so?
I can't hold it, me a ball out.
No sir, what about your voice destroying my eardrums then? What about that,
King Jesus love me, me no shame, me a call out.
No man, the voice that you forget put on bed rest. What you thought about this performance, people? Comment below. So it is time for the big up segment. So first I have to go and big up this initiative called Waves for Water, a site on Instagram, and basically it is to bring clean water to communities that need it.
Growing up, I never really had the opportunity to give back, and so much was given to me, so many opportunities, and through Waves for Water, I'm able to give back directly to the people that have given so much to me, and really get in touch with people in my island that have a dire need for clean water.
So right here we have a spring coming straight out of the rock, and it's coming from a good source, but by the time it gets to where the people can catch it, it's already contaminated. All the people in the community, they come here to do their washing, cooking, so to use the filters here and distribute all through this community is going to be very epic.
One of the greatest things with Waves for Water for me is being able to empower the next generation and watch what they do with the simple idea that I had 10 years ago. This trip, though, was mostly an assessment for the big project that we want to do in the fall, was also powerful and impactful in its own way. And I think we are set up to really make a big difference in this country.
And also, I forgot big up this new ad by Grace with Ding Dong. It is flary, it shell. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Pre.
Grace Martin is everywhere! You get it! Ding dong! Yeah, Grace Martin! Yeah, Grace Martin! Yeah, Grace Martin! Yeah, Grace Martin! Theory! dozen fans I get another blend. Cut up tomato and pepper with the onion bread. Grey sauce at the richest one, go tell another friend. When you walk past the kitchen, me cooking a quick neck. Enough of them a mackerel, we catching a we net. Recommend me recipe and every day them text set. And I wrap up on the food like a this shop at the bridge. And they say, whoa, Grace mackerel flary. Whoa, Grace mackerel flary. Flary.
And yes, I forgot big up to M and N, Marvin and Nikisha. If you know, last week, I said how come I not hear from Marvin and Nikisha in terms of, you know, drama pan the social media sphere. But to back's foot, it is have been announced that Marvin and Nikisha are expecting a child. The man knock her up finally is kind of and so very excited, and I can't wait for see this pit to come out and a bounce off for the umbilical cat. Oh, I forgot big up to Christopher Taylor and his personal best at the Jamaica senior trial, 44.88 seconds. Shell, you pre.
Yo, what's up? This is your boy Meek, aka the King of Caribbean Comedy. You're watching my brothers countdown, the social media countdown. Dirty Berry, big up yourself. Man.
Number 2, Taxi Skit. So there was a video with some members from Team Spice like Rebel, TC, and who else was there? I think Pretty. And then basically just kind of did a parody of what it is like to call a Jamaican taxi company. And if you are a Jamaican, you definitely know the stress, the struggle, the trauma that going on when you are called Mortec, Antime, Gadge Pro, City Guide, El Shaddai, any which one of them, and they on the phone for 5 minutes, you just get one answer.
Hello, El Shaddai Cab, good night. Good night, I can get a car from 69 Rosalie going Heavendale. Where you going? Heavendale. Okay, hold on 1 sec for me, please. Any cab for 69 Rosalie of the world, I'm going Heavendale. Any cab for 69 Rosalie of the world, I'm going Heavendale.
52 base in 12.
Anyone less? Anyone less? Hello. Alright, 52, make your way. Anyone for Arbitrary going Papine? Hello. Any cab for Arbitrary going Papine? Miss. Any cab for Arbitrary going Papine? Miss. Hello. I can't me up on the phone so long around the well I'm going. Miss never tell me no. I'm here for 2 seconds, minutes, how long I hear on my block. Come on. What's up,
That is it, the video. Shell. Let me know what you thought about it, people, and how much of Uno can relate, and which taxi company is the worst for putting through this. Leave it in the comments. And number 1 goes to Red Bottoms. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my library, my biblioteca. So basically, you know, say Red Bottoms kinda around the place from Cardi B to the song. And I guess before that, and I guess it shouldn't be shocking, say the man them are kinda want for flan for them Red Bottoms as well. But this brother, I think he was in a group called Sample 6, or even named Sample 6, put out this video. I guess this video just went so viral all over social media this week with this video of him basically bragging about him Red Bottom shoes. Pre.
I don't know. Sample 6 Red Bottom shoes, just mad. 1,000 US. Mad. Glass bottom. Them dead. Me fi tell you. See it? Valentine Day. Mad. But you wait on a big event for wear it. You hear that? Red bottom. 1,000 US. 100,000 Jamaican feet. Mad.
Yeah, if you don't know Sample 6, back in the day, long time when Elephant Man and T.O.K. and who else, Mr. Vegas did a run road, him they basically in every music video as it pertains to dancing.
Yeah, Sample 6 this, all of my dancer friend, them wanna get mad with the bomb rushing thing. Timeless, sharp man, boy, the black bag. Yeah, where them say money war, passion, ever passion. Mad no, mad no.
If you wanna dance, follow Sample 6.
Now people, just ignore Sample 6 in the video and pre the excitement that is going on in the background.
1,000 US. Mad. Glass bottom.
A good $1,000 for them curtain that you know? And you know, as usual, somebody I forgot to spoof the video once it started to go viral. So Richie Feelings did film video.
See the people. Red Bottoms. 1,000 US. It my woman buy me for Valentine's Day. See that?
And Triple X joined in on the fun as well.
Look funny. Now for a bad mind boy, them are gonna say no really no. 1,000 US, 100,000 Jamaican. Then bad mind selector boy, you can't wear this. See it there? Red bottom.
Well, that's it, people. Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you liked the video, make sure you say hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. And also, want you to share to your family, your friends, and your loved ones them. So hit the share button as well. And also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you say go and hit the subscribe button. We want more fun if you join on, so we can reach 200,000. Yes, 200,000 subscribers. That is the aim for this year. Also, if you want to email me, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. So if you want to book me, if you want to advertise for the countdown, just put that, send me a message and I will get to you shortly. Take care until next time.
What about yesterday? What about us? What about the trees? What about us? What about all the things? I keep it here. What about us? What about the lion? What about us? What about the horses? What about us?